Hello guys, in this video let us solve another interesting problem. So what is the sum? Sum of digits is our current sum. So is our current problem. Sum of digits is our current problem. You are given an integer n, write a program to calculate the sum of all digits of n. So they'll provide you a digit. They'll provide you a digit. What is our task? What is our task? Our task is to find the sum of all the digits which are given. This is our task. So let us see how the input format will be. So first line contains t. What is t, sir? T is nothing but the total number of test cases. T is nothing but total number of. First line indicates t. What is the t? T is nothing but the total number of test cases. In each test case, they will provide you an integer that is n. For that integer, what we need to perform? We need to find the sum of its digits. So let us try to write the code in Python 3. So now I just selected my compiler as Python 3. Now let us write the code for it. So to read the total number of test cases, let me take a variable t to store the total number of test cases. How do we read the input? By using input functions, we can able to read the input. But actually, input function will take data and store it as string. To convert it into integer, we must need to use a int type converter so that it will convert string to integer. So I need to read input. I need to read the given input integer how many times? T number of times, because for t test cases I need to read integer. So for that, to run t number of times I need to use a for loop to repeatedly run the same thing t number of times. So for I in range of t, it will run t times. Now let us read the input number and store it in a variable num. So again same thing, input function is used to read the input and integer is used to convert string to integer. Since input function reads the data in the form of string, so let us try to finish this code by using string format itself. Let us say I have read the input, that is this 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. What I need to do? What I need to do? I just need to pick one at first. What I need to do? I just need to pick one at first and need to add it to sum. And then what I need to do? And then I need to pick two and I need to add it to previous sum. And then I need to pick three and I need to add it to previous sum. And I need to pick four, I need to add it to previous sum. And I need to pick five, I need to add it to previous sum. So how to do, sir? To to save the result, of sum, let me take it as 0 at first. So to pick each element in the given number, number is in string format currently because input function reads data in the form of string. So for each element in given number, I just want to pick one by one element. First one is picked and stored in ELE. Next two is picked and stored in ELE. Next three is picked and stored in ELE. What I want to do, I want to add it to my result. Res plus is equals to integer of that element. Res plus is equals to integer of that element. It is similarly res is equals to res plus int of element. The above two statements are same. This statement is same as this statement. So to simplify this statement, below statement, I'm just using the above statement. That's it. So now after finding the result, what I need to do, sir? I just need to print my result and check whether it is working perfectly or not. Mission is on queue. You can check the output, whether do I got, you can see successfully executed, and you can see I got the exact output, whatever I require. So let me submit and check whether it is working, whether my code is resolving all the test cases or not. So you can see it is correct. All the test cases got satisfied and the solution got accepted. In this way, you can able to solve this problem, sum of digits. I hope this video is understandable to you. If you like this video, please comment so that it will be suggestible to more viewers. So I hope this video is understandable to you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you in the next video of DSA series. Must practice the problem. I'll provide the link in the description and try to provide the code in either description or else in comment section so that you can able to practice the code again. So thanks for watching. Must practice. Then only you can able to solve these type of questions during exams and in real time projects also. So thanks for watching. Must solve this problem.